Hello everyone. Hey, this is Graham Bynum. Hey, I'm with Uptown 101. That's my company, and I'm with my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I love looking at the Aster. The Aster is this beautiful high-rise. It's in a fantastic area of Dallas called Turtle Creek, and let's explore it a little bit in this video. So what I want to do is talk about Turtle Creek. So while we're going by the Aster, let's talk about Turtle Creek. Turtle Creek is this more private area that's more laid back. It's very settled down. It's more of a community with townhomes and homes. Very luxurious, by the way. Very expensive to live here in any of these homes. These are like multi-million-dollar kind of homes, so it's a real prosperous area to be in. You can see there's trees all around. That lawn is ivy, very cool looking. You can see it's a really rather dog-friendly area. There's always a lot of dogs, and this is what the area looks like. It's really pretty. That is a street right up there that will lead you quickly to restaurants and shops. Those are super close by. But in addition, you're really close to downtown Dallas. You're only about 7 minutes away. You're close to Uptown Dallas, just 3 or 4 minutes away. And so these are places that you're going to be able to get restaurants, night spots, so all within a really quick drive. There's a Starbucks right there, by the way. That's, what, 2-3 minutes walk? It's just right here. So you got Starbucks you can walk to. This is a fantastic location. Look at some of the buildings here too. Oh gosh, look at that door. Wow, amazing. So anyway, this is a beautiful place to be. It's very rich, very prosperous, and it's also very close to the airport. So Love Field, about 15 minutes away max. There's a vet right there for your dog. How perfect. And you're so close to so many beautiful things here. This is just a lovely place to be. And to the other airport, by the way, you're about 30 minutes. So it's a fantastic location, safe, luxurious, and beautiful. So this is to me an escape. It's a private, luxurious escape area. You can enjoy privacy, luxury, and then go to the fun stuff anytime you want. All right, so now let's go explore the parking situation at the Aster. There's our Aster back here coming into view. So let's go see the parking. Can't wait to show that off to you. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or if you just want to say hi, I'd love to say hi to you. Just say hi, send me a text. That's my number below. That's my personal number. You can send me a text literally 24 hours a day. I don't always respond if it's, late at night, but sometimes I do. Anyway, send a text and we'll just chat. And as always, if you need a quick tour, you will get immediate, quick responses. We can set a virtual or a live tour anytime, and it's always 100% free. Okay, now we're at the garage. Let's go to the next video.